welcome back to my channel. Recently I started some new little projects and crafting stuff around my room. As you can maybe see, the background's a little bit different than it was last time. I've just been kind of redecorating my room and just really trying to customize tons of stuff and decorate tons of stuff and just make everything super cute. And I've had all these ideas come in and these visions, so I've just been really busy with crafting on my days off as of recently. And I wanted to maybe film one of the processes of one of the things that I'm working on currently, and that is my desk. I've been painting it a little bit so far. What I've done so far, just painted the insides white. I still have to put on multiple coats probably on still. This was just the first coat I did last night. But I had this vision to paint the whole thing pink because I just thought that would be just so cute. But just painting the inside so far of this took so long. So I was thinking maybe that's not the best idea to paint the whole thing by hand. So on Pinterest, I've been seeing pictures of decorated dressers and desks like this, where people paint on vintage looking roses and leaves and stuff, and I was just really inspired by that. So plan for the rest of this is to paint the white, more layers. I might do the lower part of the desk too that folds up, but after I finish those coats of white paint, I want to maybe paint some of those type of roses, vintage looking roses. I've never painted roses before, so this is going to be a whole new the whole new experience. Let's try it out, see if I can do it. I'm gonna practice on paper probably before I just go right in on the wood. But hopefully I can make this vision in my head come to life. But I thought I could film the process and show you guys. And also alongside the desk, I want to paint roses on it too. I thought that'd be cute. And then paint the little handles pink or something. I don't know. I just have all these ideas and I just want to get it done. And then after I finish this desk, I can work on filming an updated room tour for you guys, since I've been just decorating tons of stuff and I love to show you guys my room. But I thought maybe I could share this painting process with you and see if you would enjoy a video like that. So I'm going to get ahead and start working on this again. I also have recently stopped at a craft store to get more supplies, and how I've been keeping all of my supplies is just in one of the grocery bags, the plastic bags. So I've been meaning to find a box or something, a container that I could just put all my crafting supplies in. And I found this box the other day and I just want to show it with you guys. It's got unicorn print with flowers, but it fits all my crafting supplies that I have so far. Just a small collection I hope to grow in the future, but I just wanted to share it with you all because it's so cute. So right now I'm just going to open some new white paint since I used all the rest of my last one, and I'm gonna just try to see how many coats it's gonna take to cover all this and make it look somewhat decent. And yeah, so that's the first step that I'm going to do. So I finished painting everything white. Can you move my camera? Show you guys. I just painted like the insides all white. So now I'm just going to freehand the flowers. I like practiced a little bit. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just going to try it out and, you know, just see what it looks like. And if it's bad, it's okay. Maybe I could just paint over it, but I don't know, I want to give it a go. So I'm gonna try to paint the roses now. finished, at least for what I wanted to get done now to it. I think the flowers that I drew, I seriously like didn't even know what I was doing, but I just tried off like videos I saw on like TikTok how to like do this type of thing, so I just tried it out. But I think it looks like, you know, like far away, it looks really cute. I really love it. I don't know, I like it. And then flowers that I did inside I think turned out really cute too. I'll open this so you can see it better, but yeah, I think it's like a cute vintage vibe. I love it. Maybe in the future I could paint something in the middle here, maybe like a big flower or something, just because there's that space. But I love how it brightens up the desk when I added the white paint in the background, because it just felt a little too dark compared to, you know, the rest of my room. You can kind of see my reflection, but I feel like the white made it like stick out a bit and appear more brighter, more opening, and just cute. I love it so much. I might in the future like even paint the little handles and stuff, and I was thinking of painting this part of the wood and this, but I've ran out of white paint, so I was like, I'll just keep the insides mostly painted, but maybe in the future I could paint that. But yeah, I'm really proud of what I made. It may not be like perfect or anything, like, you know, I was just trying, but you know, I had a lot of fun doing it, and that's all that really matters. So but that's it for the video, angels. I hope you liked this decorating, painting, like crafting video. I've just been super into crafting lately. It just brings me a lot of joy, and I just love decorating stuff. So I've just been kind of putting my whole room through like a mini makeover at the moment. So I'm really hoping after this video I can upload a updated room tour and like my bedroom makeover that I've been doing. I'm still in the process of working on it still, at least for the ideas I have at the moment. But I hope to get that video out soon for you guys. But thanks again for coming to my channel. It means so much to me, all your guys' support and kind words and stuff. You guys are the sweetest. I appreciate you all so much. And yeah, just very, very grateful to have you guys. But I hope you angels have a good day or a good night, whatever time it is by you. So, bye!